Tekashi 6ix9ine's 6-year-old daughter, Saraiyah, was reportedly involved in a car accident with her mother, Sara Molina, on Easter. The mother-daughter duo were in a white Uber minivan on a New York City highway on April 17 when a 10-car rear-ended them, TMZ reported Friday. The site obtained photos of the aftermath that reveal both vehicles endured significant damage. Tekashi's daughter was scared and crying after the ordeal, a source told TMZ. Saraiyah, Molina and Molina's sister were all reportedly taken to the hospital in an ambulance. Molina, 26, suffered whiplash and a concussion and is still in a lot of pain as a result of the accident. She has also been battling multiple sclerosis, according to the outlet. Saraiyah, meanwhile, reportedly had serious pain in her arm after the crash. Tekashi, 25, told TMZ he was unaware of the incident since he and his ex are not on good terms. He plans to speak to Saraiyah's grandmother to clear things up. A rep for the rapper did not immediately return Page 6's request for comment, and Tekashi has not posted about the accident on social media. Tekashi once in a while gives glimpses into his life as a father and also posts about the charity work he does for other kids. On April 29, he posted a video of himself handing out wads of cash to children. He captioned the clip, "Was on my way to buy, sick, some coffee and I randomly stopped and gave out $10,000 to some kids who were getting out of school. 40,000 to go this week." The Faye performer also has a 3-year-old daughter, Briella, with a woman named Lena, who claimed for some time that he had neglected to meet Briella or pay child support. However, Tekashi reportedly met his little girl for the first time in April 2020, shortly after he was released from prison for racketeering and other charges.